I'm all about words, but it sounds like you're envisioning an instrumental piece that truly captures a calm, beachy ambience. Since this one's not about lyrics, I'd suggest imagining soft finger picking on a sun-soaked guitar. Occasional melodic bends reminiscent of waves rolling ashore. A subtle pocket beat could mimic the rhythm of distant tides. Let the absence of vocals create room for the guitar to tell its own serene story, simple, tranquil, and flowing like the ocean breeze. If you ever feel like pairing lyrics with that vibe, I'm here. If you ever feel like pairing lyrics with that vibe, I'm here. If you ever feel like pairing lyrics with that vibe, I'm here.